That one wasn't very big at all. It just kind of looked bigger than it was. Push it again. Now, does that hurt? You just feel the pressure.
That doesn't hurt.
Doesn't hurt. All right, let's get this one here. Oh yeah, big one coming out here. Push again this direction. Make sure it's empty. Yeah, it's empty. Make sure they all come out. Now, if you feel any pain, you let me know. I can always give you a little more medicine.
Well, there's no pain at all.
No pain at all? Did you give him the really good stuff? That's right, Mr. Colby. There we go. That one came right out as well. These are fairly shallow for the most part, so they're coming right out. Yeah, they're not all. Oh, this one's really big, Otto. See there. Look at that coming out there. Yeah, this one was a really large one. Now, did you feel a little more pressure on that one? No, you did not, huh? Yep, that's empty. Good. Let's get this one right here. Can you see, little Gonzo?
The sharp part.
Here, I want you to get.